good afternoon. So my name is Rosie and I came on here to do a quick video. Oh, this is my puppy Mona. If you see her, she's on my bed, she's running around and playing. I came on here to post a video on how to measure a chain for your custom length. I actually have an Etsy where I sell custom sized chokers like the one I'm wearing now, but it would be for your size, whatever size that you would like. I do carry some standard sizes that are 12 to 16 inches long. And I wanted to show you with this chain how I would measure it for my custom size. So this is a standard 16 inch. This is the longest that I carry on my website as a standard size. And I would take a chain that does not stretch. I could take a faux chain, I could take a ribbon, even yarn, but just make sure that the fabric does not stretch, because if you stretch it around your neck, obviously it's going to be smaller once it shrinks back. So I'll take the chain, wrap it around, and say I want it to land right here. What I'll do is take one end and measure about there. That's where I would want it to end up. So I'll take this end and measure from here at the bottom to the top on my finger here. I'm just going to take my ruler here. I have an 18-inch ruler. If you have a 12-inch, you could hold it at the 12-inch mark and then move it over. So for me, at that length, it would be a 14.5-inch chain. It's upside down, but you can see right there, 14.5 inches. So that is the size that I would custom order if that's what I wanted, or I could size up or size down 14 or 15 inches, depending on what you want to do. Custom sizing is available on my shop, and I would be able to accommodate the different sizes. So you just have to send me a message and see if there's an upcharge. There probably will not be an upcharge if you stay within the 16 inches. If it's longer, it may be a little bit more. And I also do extension chains where I end up putting one of the little loopholes. So the ring at the end, it's kind of small and dainty, so it's hard to see. It would be having multiple of these rings at the end, so you can loop it at like, say 14, 15, and 16 inches, then it would have 3 little loops. So I can custom size chains that way as well. If you have any other questions as far as how to measure for a necklace, go ahead and comment them down below. Also, if you'd like to subscribe, go ahead and do so. I would really appreciate it. Miss Mona would as well. She's always in my videos as well. I'll also have my Etsy linked down below where you can view other chains that I have, different designs, as well as earrings, rings, and bracelets and anklets. All right, y'all, thanks for watching.